Hi guys, I'm back. It's been quite some time without sharing any kind of content on all my socials. And today I would like to take you all on a journey of exploring something different. I would like to um, prepare a plant based burger party. I've been craving a burger, but at the moment I have cut back on all meat and meat products. So I really wanted to just have something that would give me a feel of, eating meat. So I posted on my status, asked if anyone knows a recipe that I can use to prepare um, parties for burgers. So a lot of you were kind enough. You shared so many recipes zinazokuzana ndi soya pieces, zinazokuzana ndi lentils, marecipe ena ofuna zindosiyanasiyana. So there's one recipe that I have found. Many yoyo, just looking at the output that the creator was able to produce, I think I'm going to eat something that will look like meat and taste like meat. Yeah, so I have some ingredients that I want to use. Then do one etani. I have black beans, mushrooms, beetroot, oats, chickpea, cornstarch, a little bit of cooking oil, and some spices. Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce and some cayenne pepper for a kick. Yeah, so my only worry is that I don't know if my blender is going to be able to blend all these ingredients because it really looks like a very dense mixture. So it is my prayer, fingers crossed, that it's going to blend everything. Yeah, but if the blender is going to work, I'm very confident that I'm going to make very good patties. So let's do this. These are the ingredients. I mentioned that I have beetroot, some oats, some black beans, chickpea, some cornstarch, mushrooms, some soy sauce, cayenne pepper, and spices. I should make mention here that for black beans, mushrooms, and chickpea, I used canned products because I felt like they would make the work a lot easier. Yeah, so sanamizanebo. No one should think that I cooked the beans, cooked the chickpea, and prepared the mushrooms. I've used canned products because I believe they're going to be easy on the blender. Yeah, so let's try and see what will come out of this. Now let's add the ingredients. The only problem is that the recipe that I got did not have like measurements for the ingredients. So whatever we'll do here will be as the spirit leads. Okay, so I'll start with the black beans. Black beans. Black beans. Then the chickpea. I removed the brine. I washed them. Yeah, I washed them. We'll add the mushroom. I hope my blender will not misbehave. It is my prayer that the blender should not misbehave. The blender should not misbehave. If it does, I'll be sad. Hmm? Oats. I think I should add the soy sauce at the end when I'm adding other condiments. Now let's blend. I told you. Let me mix them with a wooden spoon. I am so happy. Seems like the blender behaved. Nakali kakude entire blend. Nakopa nikiza. Omaya. You see, it's mixing. It's mixing. All right. Komano, I don't want it to be very fine. Ne. Ndi ingofika hafu kuntunda kuzisabire bansiboyi mukalebeti maparticles kuti zisakutafunira. Yeah, so I'm happy. Because it was not as easy because I had to add a little bit of water. So since I'm going to fry the mixture, I'm sure Madzia's vanga evaporated when I'm frying. Otherwise, I'm happy. Now let's go to the making of the patties. The patties, not parties, but patties. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Oil. So the rolls, the bread rolls that I'm using are those mini buns. So I would like to make the patties as small as possible so that they can fit on the pan. So let's try and mold. Smells like meat. I can't believe myself sometimes, but it's okay. I feel like I added a lot of oil, but it's alright. But I saw another flyer, a WhatsApp status. Yeah, one of the delivery enterprises in Milongo. I made another business. Yeah, I don't want to mention the restaurant. Well, the price there was it was 20,000. I think, yeah, including chips. And there I was thinking, 20,000 email for the canned products. I don't think I think I spent. They were reasonably priced. Yeah, the other things are stuff that I already stocked in the home: cooking oil, electricity, the spices. Yeah, so let me not talk too much. Maybe the food is not going to taste nice. Ooh, guys, does it look like beef? I'm so happy. The internet has won today. I don't know if I should. So in US, there's a certain brand of plant-based meat. I'm actually going to ground beef. So the creator of this, nothing a recipe pa page by YouTube. The ingredients that are used: the chickpea, the black beans, the beetroot are some of the core ingredients in ground beef. So he just shared like a disclaimer to say It's not like we're trying to mimic, but we know that it's going to taste closer to what ground beef tastes like. Sure? Yeah. But like I've said, I should not talk too much. Maybe the taste will be disappointing, but I doubt because into choti chili ncheri hena matenganga tichili ncheri chifuzo ndo tishikoma chimene chocho. So um, fingers crossed. I'm going to keep some and share with my friend Nora so that she should give me an honest feedback on the taste of these goodies. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money. And they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Thank you all for watching. Bye. No, I need to like rate the food. So let me send out the last clip on how it tastes like. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money. And they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Yeah, at the store, on the corner of my road. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Undiuza kuti undilipise mtima kapena zikukomani. Okay, bobo. On the corner of my road.